Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to Steam. We'll cover both wired and wireless methods, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite games with your preferred controller. Get ready to dive into a seamless gaming experience on your PC. This guide will walk you through each step, from initial connection to final configuration, making it easy to get started with your PlayStation controller on Steam. Connecting your PS4 controller via USB is incredibly straightforward. Simply take a standard micro USB cable and plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Steam is designed to recognize PlayStation controllers automatically, so it should detect and begin configuring it right away. You can then confirm the connection within Steam's controller settings. For a wireless experience, connecting via Bluetooth is simple. First, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar flashes rapidly. Next, on your computer, go to your Bluetooth settings and choose to add a new device. You should see wireless controller appear in the list. Select it to complete the pairing process. Once connected, open Steam and consider launching Big Picture mode for the best controller navigation experience. Go to the controller settings within Steam and ensure that PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This allows Steam to properly interpret your controller's inputs. Finally, launch one of your favorite games and test all the buttons and joysticks to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.